What are Section 7 rights under the National Labor Relations Act? Imagine a workplace where employees have the power to voice their concerns and negotiate for better conditions. This is where Section 7 rights under the National Labor Relations Act come into play. These rights are designed to protect private sector employees, allowing them to engage in collective activities related to their work. Under Section 7, workers can organize, form, join, or assist labor organizations, commonly known as unions. They have the legal backing to bargain collectively through representatives they choose. This means that employees can come together to discuss wages, benefits, and working conditions. If a group of workers requests paid sick leave, for instance, they are protected by law, unlike an individual who might face dismissal for making the same request. This collective action is vital for balancing the power between employees and employers. Section 7 also ensures that employees are shielded from employer interference or retaliation when they exercise these rights. Employers cannot legally threaten, spy on, or intimidate workers who are trying to organize or engage in collective activities. If they do, it is considered an unfair labor practice, and the National Labor Relations Board is responsible for enforcing these protections. From a liberal perspective, Section 7 rights are essential for promoting social justice and equality in the workplace. They create fairness and opportunity by giving workers a voice. This collective power helps reduce economic inequality and improve working conditions for everyone involved. The National Labor Relations Act supports the belief that workers should have equal power to advocate for their rights, both individually and as a group. Practically speaking, Section 7 rights allow workers to organize unions or labor groups that representing their interests. They can bargain collectively for better wages, benefits, and workplace safety. Workers can also engage in strikes, protests, or other group actions for mutual aid. Importantly, they are protected from retaliation by their employers when they exercise these rights. Recently, interpretations of Section 7 by the National Labor Relations Board have expanded to include advocacy that benefits not only current employees, but also others connected to the workplace. This reflects a growing understanding of collective worker rights. In summary, Section 7 of the National Labor Relations Act is a fundamental part of labor law that advances fairness and opportunity. It legally safeguards workers' collective power, aligning with liberal values that emphasize social justice and the protection of vulnerable groups in the labor market.